So in this video, you'll learn how to archive apps on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7. So the first step when it comes to archiving an app is to simply navigate to the app details page. To do that, you're going to navigate to settings, and then under settings, you want to scroll and select the option apps. From here, you should see all the apps currently installed on your phone. So if you want to archive an app, simply select it to view this app's details page. Alternatively, you can also choose to just long press on an app icon, and then from this pop-up, tap on this info icon. From there, you'll be brought to the app info page for that specific app. Next, if you want to archive it, at the very bottom, look for this option Archive. Bear in mind that this is not available for all the apps that you currently have installed on your phone, but if you have any games or even Netflix or YouTube, this should work. So go ahead and tap on Archive, and then once it's been archived, when you navigate to the home screen, you can even see everything there's a download icon showing it's been successfully archived. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.